Welcome to our channel, Upholstery Technology. Okay guys, we're gonna remove now the seats, the front seats for the Tacoma. And basically you're gonna need your T50. It's only 4 volts. It doesn't have any cover. This is gonna be the plug. This is for the airbag. And as you see in previous videos, we just slide this section over here, or we can pry the little top inside. Same for the white, same for the gray. So very simple. You need your clip puller, your T50, and a small screwdriver to lift the little tabs for the electrical connectors. So this one is out. So let me show you. This is very simple, guys. So when you move this backwards, there it is, your T50. Then you move it forward. Be sure that you remove the headrest and put the mechanism all the way up. And loose the lumbar support. Get it all the way down so you don't have any pressure right there. And that's going to be the removal. Now, when you come to here, guys, in the bag, this new Tacoma has a very simple process now. The previous generation, you need to pull it forward, the cushion, and then work on the tabs on the back. Now, these other ones, the new ones, they don't have a lift support. So basically, we have removed that ball over there, and it has 2 more right there in the center, and you pry the seat up. You just push it up, and it will be released. So there is 1 in each side, I believe, and for the seat belt, you just push that little red tab, and it releases the center. Get the headrest off first. And it's a very simple installation, guys. We are demystifying the installation process. It's not that difficult. So you just have to, take your time, find your tools. And that's going to be the removal of the seats on the 2024 Tacoma Double Cab. Okay, guys, like I say, you have 4 bolts, 2 in each side, 2 in the center. That's all it is. I already took that side, so I'm gonna set the camera so you can see the process. Now you're gonna have, this is the new system that Toyota developed to hold the seat so it doesn't fall down. So you just put the snap right there. That's the first step. Then once you are here, guys, this is so simple. We're just gonna pull this seat up. So we're gonna release the lean back like this, and all we do is pry it out, and it's out. So they make it more practical now. It's a very simple removal. Compared to the previous version was not difficult either. But this one is way more simple because they want to produce cars more faster. So they always find a way to do the assembly as quick as possible. Guys, if you have any questions, please put it in the comments. Like and subscribe, and I'll continue in the next video with the upholstery removal, which is gonna be slightly brutal because we have to go and cut all the covers. Unfortunately, we don't save these things. You can do that. It's a longer process. It can be done, but right here with us, we just gonna go through the whole cover. So I'll see you guys in the next video.